Hi guys, Mark here. I've been out today with the family, just doing a bit of shopping and that, and I was able to disappear for a little while and go down to the local bricks and mortar store in Ipswich. Quite a lot of people ask, where are the nearest stores? So yeah, there's one down in Tackett Street, Ipswich, and it's called the Vapour Loft. And went in there today. A lovely chap in there, Morgan, served me. And he served us up some slush puppy, which is a raspberry juice. If you have tasted a raspberry ice pole or the slush puppies off the fairgrounds and stuff like that, this is exactly what it tastes like. Look at this colour. It is an awesome colour. Anyhow, I thought what I'll do, just to give it a flavour test. Paul Beattie, he's asked already what's it like, so Paul, this is going out to you as well. Yeah, so I've got the Octopus RDA drilled out. Come on, where's the camera? Up the top, there we go. It's been drilled out. This bottom hole here has been blocked up, and that hole there has been drilled out there to get more flavour. We've just got a single coil on there. We'll just do a quick on camera trim up like that. Lovely. And the beauty of this, of how built this is that the wick is just sitting on the base, so that will soak up any juice. And then when you're dripping through the top, the nice fluffy piece top hat on top, that will collect the juice as well when you're filling up. So we'll just give it a snap round about there. I think that'll be okay. It makes it lovely and fluffy on top. Right. And we'll now juice her up. Cool. This is a lovely dark colour. This is. Ooh. This is going to be really, really nice. Now, I was going to put it in a tank this afternoon. I took a tank with me, and I took a tank with me today. I was going to have it on the way home. Then I thought, no, I shall wait. I shall wait until I get back. So, yeah. Well, it's a really dark colour. It's been shook up as well. Cool. On top. Right, I think we're going to be pretty good to go. Woohoo! Got to get the air hole in the right place. Lovely. Right, here we go. Let's see what it tastes like. Back again. Right, yeah, I had a few treatment problems there, but we'll sort it out and we're going now. So yeah, let's give it a vape. Cool. Good vapour. Right, that does taste very, very nice. So a lovely little go. Yeah, vapour production is very good. As with the Vapour Loft, they always do the main juice is a 70-30. So I stuck with that. He did say I can make it however you like it, but 70-30 seems good for me, and you see the vapour production is very, very good. Oh yes, and the flavour. There is slush puppy. It's a raspberry. It's very, very nice. Yes, a very, very good raspberry flavoured juice there. Thank you very much.